Import plotly.express as px. Import pandas as pd. Import numpy as np. In frames is 50. Lats equals np.linspace 41.3. Lons equals np.linspace 69.2, 71.0. N frames. df equals pd data frame. Lats, lons, frame, list range n frames. Fig is px scatter geo. Lat, lon. Animation frame, frame. Projection natural earth. Title, animated marker movement on map. Fig update traces marker dict size 10. Color equals red. Fig.write HTML, map animation.html. Fig.show. This animated choropleth map visualizes the evolution of data across countries over time. Each country is colored based on a specific metric, e.g., population, GDP, COVID-19 cases, and the color intensity reflects the value magnitude. As the animation progresses through different years or time steps, the map updates dynamically. Darker shades represent higher values. Lighter shades indicate lower values or no data. This visualization technique is widely used to track global trends and regional disparities, reveal temporal patterns in demographic, environmental, or health-related data, provide an intuitive understanding of complex datasets with a geographic dimension. The animation is built using Plotly Express, which supports interactive zooming, hovering, and animation controls, making it ideal for dashboards and presentations. Use case examples: global CO2 emissions by year, annual GDP per country, real-time spread of disease, internet access growth in developing regions,